I will guide you on how to register an enterprise business with SSM using Ebiz online. First of all, please make sure the portal address is correct, which is easybiz.ssm.com.my. Then enter your username, password, and verification code following to the verification code captcha given above, and click Sign In. Next, click My Business Services and New Business Registration. There are two types of business name. First, personal name, and second is trade name. Personal name is as stated in identity card, which is not required to apply for business name. In addition, a trade name is the name that business owner created by himself. For example, Narina Store Enterprise. If the business using a trade name, the name shall obtain prior approval from the SSM. Then you need to choose your business start date. We advise you to key in the current date. If you choose to backdate it, compound will be offered if the business start date is more than 30 days from the date of registration. If you choose partnership business and having partnership agreement between partnership, you can put agreement date. If no partnership agreement, just leave the date blank. Next is incentive drop-down list is created for student only, where student can apply for student scheme to get a free business registration. This for a full-time business in all IPT in Malaysia. So, for students who want to register for this scheme, need to furnish all documents needed. If non-student, you have to click Not Applicable. For registration period, minimum registration for 1 year, while maximum is 5 years. You can choose either Unit Business Info by clicking Yes or No. Business Info is stated your complete details of your business. Just ignore the status of data entry. If you're doing online, then you just click at the part Online Select. The next step, you need to key in the business address and make sure you key in the correct mobile or telephone number, email address, and URL if applicable. If your mailing address is the same as your business address, click Copy from Business Address and then you just click Next. For type of business, you need to key in your type of business. For example, here, selling foods and beverages, selling clothing, and selling cosmetic products. After that, you need to add your business code that is suitable with your business nature. You click on the Add Business Code. For example, selling of foods and beverage, you just type food to get the keyword. Click Search and you choose the related or nearest code with your business only. After you are done, you just click Next. This section is regarding business owner. If you run the business by your own, you can ignore this section and just click Next. However, if you have partner to run the business, please fill in the number IC of your partner at this part. and you can just click add partner. Partner will need to fill in the address, phone number, and click update. You will realize that your partner status is pending verification.